Yeah, goddamn.
Okay, put L.
Hold up, I'm trying to. Just send me a message of it. Because I'm trying to do a video. And. Yeah, I am. I'll show you. Oh, fuck my life. I'll send you a fucking link to the video after I'm done posting it and recording it. Hold my L. Reaper. Hold my fucking L, Reaper. You can eat my ass, Reaper.
Okay, did you get it?
Did I get it? On IG or fucking Xbox?
IG.
No, I'm recording. I'm telling you, I can't. It's all good. It's all good. Dude. I'm not even gonna use RPGs, cause like, what the fuck's the point of it? If you use an RPG against me, I'm eating his fucking ass. JK, I'm not gay. I don't know. YouTube life is lit, bro. Now I see why Logan Paul fucking vlogs. You wanna come back here, buddy boy? I'm just gonna eat your ass a little bit, buddy boy. Buddy boy. Got you.
So you wanna know what happened yesterday?
No, I don't know what happened. You wanna tell me?
Yeah, I'll tell you. But when I was so it was like real dark. I was smoking. It was like 1 o'clock p.m. I was playing with my friend, right?
Yeah.
Also, this lame ass tryhard came to our party and he was a kid, right?
Mhm.
And also he knew something about mods, and so I told him, okay, face me RPG on base and then beach. And then after that, he did that, and then right when he killed me, he said I already
Bruh. Okay. Oh, fuck. This fucking random comes out of nowhere and fucking starts to shoot me. That's not nice. I'm gonna tell on him. Now I really have to use fucking grenade launchers because I don't know where this fucking random went. Please hit my... Oh, I got him! Hell yeah. God damn. He shot me! Shots fired! Shots fired! Shots fired! Shots fired! Shots fired! Oh my god, shots fired! Shots fired from Shardy. This boy better bring his ass back here before I smack it up with a jet. No, for real.
I can't hear you, bro.
I know you can't. Yo, this guy really running?
I hear you now.
Oh hell no. Oh hell no. Yaji. Okay. Saji. It's alright. Three minutes. How long am I allowed to record for on YouTube? That's my question.
Like 22 seconds.
That is my question. Whatever. Fuck it. This is Xbox 360, by the way.